Hey guys, Sam Danes here from Ardento. Today I really want to talk briefly about why your CRM implementation is going to fail. Now, that's a pretty ominous topic, but the reality is that a vast majority of CRM implementations don't succeed. They don't get to the point where they're going to add value to the business that's trying to set them up and to implement them, and they just don't provide any real benefit. And it all stems from one thing early on in a CRM implementation, and that is the adoption phase. This is the phase right after the system has been configured and it is sort of gone live within the business, and it's up now to the team, to the users, if it's the business owner or the sales team or any of the users within the organization, when they actually have to use the system. The reason why the adoption phase is so critical when it comes to CRM implementations is often the function of a CRM may not be used by necessity. And by what I mean by that is, often there may not be financial processes. This is not an invoicing system. This is not an inventory management system. Those solutions get used by necessity. If the business wants to be able to raise invoices, if they want to be able to get paid and generate income, then these systems have to be used. Often for a CRM system, specifically if it's around sales and pipeline management, business will continue if the CRM is not being used. So therefore, if there is no real value being given to the individual users, back to the person that is actually hands-on keyboard with that piece of software, if they're not finding any real value or reason that they should be using this software, chances are they're going to not use it, or they're going to shortcut processes and make sure that they're not really making this part of the process that they should be. When this happens, then the adoption fails. It will start to wane. Less input is happening into the software, therefore less valuable output. So it's absolutely critical when thinking about getting a CRM system into your business that you address the problem of user adoption right up front. Find a way to make the system give back to the everyday user, not just from a managerial point of view and from an analytical point of view. That will come, but only once we find a way to make this system part of the user's everyday workflow. We want to make it so that they can make their day easier, so that they can follow processes and get things done quicker. There's often an administrative overhead that comes with implementing systems like CRM, and that's going to slow things down. So we need to be able to create a way to add new functions, maybe through some smart dashboarding or some automation and workflow that makes their job a little easier. If users find an affinity for the software, they find a way to make it part of their daily workflow, then it will become an essential tool. Once it becomes an essential tool, then adoption will occur. Again, thinking about people that are champions and resistors, you want to find the people that really embrace this technology and are really going to give it a good crack at getting it into their daily process. If we can do these things and we have a successful adoption, then we're going to reap the benefits of the CRM implementation down the track. Better analytics, better sales pipeline management, better management of our customer data and communications. So guys, think about that. Think about that early adoption phase and how you can really get the system adopted and make your users feel like this is something worthwhile. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.